Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're told Helene purchased a $50 savings bond issued by City A, which earns interest that is compounded annually. She uses the expression 50 times 1.03 to the t to find the value of the savings bond after t years. We're asked what is the annual interest rate expressed as a percentage earned by the savings bond. So let's just look at 1 year into this, right? We start at the beginning at 50. What are we looking like 1 year later? Well, t is the number of years, so if 1 year has passed, it's 50 times 1.03 to the 1, which is just 50 times 1.03. So we're looking at an interest rate, and the interest rate is what's on top of what we already had. So if we're going from 50 to 50 times 1.03, the interest collected in this year is 50 times 1.03 minus 50, right? This is the difference that has been collected over the year. If this is 50 times 1, since 50 times 1 is just 50, then we can do some factoring here where we pull out a 50 and it's times 1.03 minus 1, right? And if we were to redistribute, we'd have 50 times 1.03 minus 50 times 1. So this interest is equal to 50 times 1.03 minus 1, which is 0.03. Now, what is this as a percentage? This is the proportion of 50, right? This is what you have to multiply by to get the amount. But what is this as a percentage? To do that, we have to multiply by 100, which gives us 3%. So what is the annual interest rate expressed as a percentage? 3 is going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.